The huge leap in inflation from March to last month proves the serious harm of the energy crisis spawned by the lingering war in the Middle East between Iran versus the United States and Israel. But what drove the high headline number is more the steeper prices of food and non-alcoholic beverages that our Elijah Canlas hashes over in this report.
The government is intensifying measures to mitigate the impact of rising prices of goods. The Unified Package for Livelihoods, Industry, Food and Transport or UPLIFT program is now being implemented to assist affected sectors amid the crisis in the Middle East. Interventions include a fuel subsidy for over 300,000 beneficiaries and a 20% fare discount for commuters. The Department of Agriculture or DA has also opened 787 Kadiwa ng Pangulo sites offering cheaper rice, while the Department of Energy or DOE has assured that there is a sufficient petroleum supply lasting up to 54 days. This is the government's prompt response to the surge in headline inflation, which reached 7.2% this April from 4.1% in March. Meanwhile, average inflation from January to April reached 3.9%. Food and alcoholic beverages were the primary drivers of the increased prices, recording a 6% rise. Transport also recorded a 21.4% increase due to the high prices of gasoline and diesel. Expenses for housing, water, electricity, and fuel are also rose by 8.2%. According to Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, rice and gasoline remain the top contributors to inflation. PSA Undersecretary Claire Dennis Mapa explained that the monitoring of commodity prices is continuing.
Mayroon tayong mga surveys na nangyayari. Almost daily ito, may mga items kasi tayo. For example, petroleum products, kinokolekta natin yan every Tuesday. Yung mga food, beverages, and tobacco items every Friday, and other products. So, any intervention that will have impact on the movement for the retail price are captured by the Philippine Statistics Authority.
Amid the rising prices, government programs are a huge help to Filipinos.
Malaking bagay ang bigas na nakabili kami ng 20 tungkol sa pagmahal na bigas ngayon. Nagkuhan kami sa gobyerno nga sana malago pa nga hanggang makuha namin ng tag 20 ang kilo sa bigas para sa mga mahirap.
The Department of Economy, Planning and Development or DepDev assured continued protection for various sectors and energy supply security. The PSA remains vigilant regarding possible price movements, while DepDev develops strategies to ease the burden of expenses for Filipinos. Elijah Canlas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.